Okay, good morning and welcome back on Monday morning, 10th B geometry class. Three pattern we have done in previous lecture, but that again we will repeat and then we will add two very important and 4 mark construction. That is from the property of the similarity from one triangle, bigger triangle and from one triangle to smaller triangle. Before that, uh, again I want to repeat tangent construction of three different method. Question number one, see these three questions are these three pattern are very important. First pattern, draw tangent to the circle from a point which point is on the circle. So pattern number one, to draw single tangent to the circle from a point on the circle. Radii they will give. Draw the circle. From that point, first draw the circle. From the center, draw one ray. So automatically you will get P as a point. C is the center, P is a point on a circle. Now we require total 6 arc on this particular diagram. So first of all, less than radii. So from P left side, from P right side. Like this. Okay, I'll highlight it. Now increase the distance from here upper side, from here lower side. From here upper side, from here lower side. So you will get 2 points and that 2 points you have to join with each other, and this is a perpendicular PQ. This can be A and B. So first type of construction, to draw single tangent from a point on the circle. Point number one, draw the circle. Radius will be given 3.2, 3.5, 3.6, whatever. From center, draw one ray. You will find one intersection point, common point of line and circle. Select that. From that, left side, right side, less than radii. Then increase, up, down, here up, down. This is the first pattern. Second pattern, question is same, but now one word is more without using center. Without using center. First pattern is same. Draw the circle. Draw the circle. It will be left side of the page and towards right side pointed triangle like this. Here inscribe angle theorem we will use. First draw the triangle, first draw the circle, then draw the triangle. Any measurement. Circle should be the left side of your page, means it can touch to the red margin. Point towards the right hand side. Now inscribe angle theorem we will use. What is that inscribe angle theorem? This much angle is equal to this much angle, because this is the inscribed arc. If it is 100, this is 50, this is 50. So you will find the tangent. So first draw the circle, then draw the triangle, then 3 arc. Three arc. One arc from here, this point, like that. One arc. Same arc. This is inside the triangle, this is outside the triangle. Correct? Now you have to measure this much. This cut. So same from here, cut. So from first I have done this, then same from here I have done this, then from here to here I have taken the measurement, from here to here I have cut the same. Now this point and this point you have to join. So this is your tangent, this is P, you are not using center. This is pattern number 2. Now third. In third pattern, to draw two tangent to the circle from outside the point. On the circle now outside. For that we have 3 different type of the example. Three point five, 3.5, 3.5. Radius 3.5 I have taken. radius 3.5 centimeter I have taken. Radius 3.5 centimeter I have taken. Now distance I will take CP. More than double, 3.5 double 7, so I will take 8 centimeter. CP is equal to exact double. More than double, exact double, less than double. Greater than double radii, exactly double radii, less than double radii. Double radii means what? Diameter. Three circle of same measurement I have drawn. Now in first pattern, distance is given double than radii, 3.5, so it is double. So from here you have to measure 8 centimeter. From here you have to measure exactly double. From here you have to measure less than double. This is 8 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is exactly double, more than double, less than double. Sum is same, but these three different type of the position of perpendicular bisector you will get. That is why I am giving you three example. Out of these three example, no one question or no other measurement they can ask. Okay. Now in all this, from here, from the end point, more than double, up, up, up. Same measurement, don't change from second end. Exactly same, down. Same measurement, don't change. But I'll highlight it. So this and this you have to join. It is perpendicular bisector. This and this you have to join. It is a perpendicular bisector. See, perpendicular bisector is out. Perpendicular bisector is on. Outside the circle, on the circle, inside the circle. See, out, in, out, on, in. That is the three difference, big difference. Follow? Now, from that new point, perpendicular bisector, new point. This is the new point. From C you have to take and just cut the circles. Correct? From new point to the center, just cut. From the new point to the center, cut the circle. From here 1, 2, 3. On circle, now you will get two new points. So from here, from these 2 points, join with end points. From this point, cut the circle. So this is the P point. PA, PB, PA, PB. When it is more than double, your perpendicular bisector will be out. It is exactly double, your perpendicular bisector will be on the circle. When it is in the circle. Follow? This with using the center, without using the center, single tangent from a point on the circle, from a point outside the circle. But in that there are 3 different cases. If the radius is 3, distance is more than double, more than 6, it is 7, 8, 9, 10. So this pattern. If the radius is 3 and the distance is 6, so this pattern only, double. If radius is 3, double is 6, less than 6, you will get this pattern. So this is very easy. Construction, each and every sum you have to attend. Why? Many reasons. First, no formula, no calculation, no proof, no reasoning. Draw the diagram as per the instruction, get the full marks. In SSC board paper, they will ask 12 marks. Okay, not out of 40, out of 60 with options. So, in geometry, to both the group it is very useful. Those who are slow learner in maths, means they are around on the border of passing. They can pass with good marks with the help of this chapter. And those who are scholar, want full out of full, they can also, with a little effort, they can score full out of full. Okay, so it is very useful, supportive chapter that in very less work. But drill work is very important. Whatever I have shown next to next, so you just refer this video again and again and do stepwise. In textbook also they have given construction steps. In exam, no one steps you have to write 100%. Step you have not to write, only draw. After completion of this drawing, then add alphabet, then add measurement. At the end, when you are writing alphabet and measurement, it should not touch to your original diagram. There should be some space, it should not touch. Intersecting arc should be on one direction. If you are righty, opposite to the body. If you are lefty, opposite to the body. People are doing zigzag, zigzag. It will be double, it will be thicker, it will be not clear. You will not get a particular intersection point which you require. So, in construction, these are the main point. If you are using the scale, so this way or this way, don't rub the pencil on both the way, written ticket. No, first point. Second, when you are using arc, this way opposite to the body, this way opposite to the body, single. If you have written this, you have done mark this, don't repeat. Then complete the diagram as per the requirement. At the end, write the alphabet, write measurement, and check question number exactly. Question number 4, A, third, question number 3, B, second, like that. Exactly addressing. Now to very important pattern. Because this construction full learn, it is on the base of construction. In this it is given. ABC similar to A dash B dash C. Now AC by A dash C dash, it is given 5 by 3. Now from that you can judge that for AC it is 5 and for A dash C dash it is 3. So next triangle compared to this next triangle will be smaller because 5 to 3. So for ABC they will give the measurement by SSS method, by SAS method, by ASA method, by hypotenuse side test method. You complete the first triangle, that is ABC. Correct? Now this is, suppose your page to the end point, you have to take one ray. No need to measure, it should be around 30 to 40 degree, but to the corner of your book you have to extend. Now which one is bigger number? 5 is to 3. 5 is a bigger figure. So from here I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step number 1, highest arc on that you have to draw. So that is a 5. So I have taken 5. So it is A, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. From top to bottom, okay? So 5 is there. So 5 you have to connect with this. Now 3 part from this point. This is a 5th point and this is a 3rd point. We have to draw the parallel, then we have to draw the parallel. Then we will get the triangle. So from 3, how to draw the parallel? Take this from 5. Take the same from 3. Means congruent angle. This much. Same. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this you have to draw. So it is a parallel. Exactly same from here. One arc, from here one arc. Correct? Now measure this. First arc, second arc. Then from here to here measure. So this is your ABC. This is your A dash, B dash, C dash. Double mark. AC is 5 centimeter. A dash, C dash is 3 centimeter. From that we have to judge that it is smaller compared to the original. So from the original, on the base of similarity, we have reduced. Termin is the this triangle. Now enlargement is also there in the next given example. Now it is 5 by 7. Triangle ABC, similar triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. Now here it is given BC by B dash, C dash, it is 5 by 7. If BC is 5, its replica, similar triangle, it is 7, means bigger, it will be bigger. Here what we have done, that same we will do. For this they will give the measurement 3 side. Voice is not coming with that. Screen blur है. Some people are suffering with channel. Draw the triangle. Then again take a long line, means around 30 to 40 degree. Corner to the right side bottom. Now again open this. Here also we have taken the maximum. Here also we will take the maximum. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, neglect this. Suppose it is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Correct. Then here we have taken maximum, here also we have taken maximum. Here we have taken first numerator contact. This we have connected with this point. With this point, fifth will be connected. Here also fifth we have connected. Then from third we have run parallel. Here fifth we have connect. Now from 7 parallel. How to draw the parallel? From here 1, 2. Now take the measurement and cut. So this one will be the continue this long. Now extend this. So here it is a point. Now from here one arc, from here one arc, from here another arc. From this to this take the measurement. This to this take the measurement. And extend this. So this is ABC, this is A dash, B dash, C dash. So this is enlargement, this is to diminish the triangle with the help of similarity property. Two more examples are given in this is solved example I have explained because every time MCQ are also very important. The number of the tangent can be drawn to a circle at a point on the circle. From a point on the circle, how many tangent you can draw? 1. So that you have to remember. Maximum number of the tangent from outside the point, how many you can draw? 2. That you have to remember. And if AB, this is they have given triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. So it is given PQ AB by PQ 7 by 3. So AB 7, PQ is 5. So which is bigger? This is bigger. Observation. These three are the MCQs. Rest of are the changing of the this. Now 7th it is triangle ABC similar triangle LBN. AB 5.1, angle B is equal to 40, BC is equal to 4.8, and AC by ln 4 by 7. AC is 4, new triangle with the side 7, so it is enlarged, bigger one. So first you will take B is the common, no, so B always this side. BA 5.1 centimeter. Now from B 40 degree. From B to C 4.8. Now join this. This is your first triangle. With help of that, when one vertex, one point is common. Now how much is the maximum? 7. Draw long line around 30 to 40 degree, not fixed. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Now first numerator. So that 4 we have to connect with this. Correct? And from here we have to draw the parallel. So extend this also. Now from here 1, from here 1. From here cut for the measurement. From here cut. Again to this, from here parallel. From here 1, from here 1. From here 2, from here 2. So this is B. B and L. Enlarged triangle. One more example they have given. P by Q. From smaller triangle to bigger, now bigger to smaller. Now Y is common. P by 6.3. YQ 7.2. 5.8. YZ YQ 6 by 5. Y here with Y which is bigger, this YP 6.3, YQ 7.2, PQ 5.8 joint. This is 7.2, 5.8. Now bro, highest 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, same measurement. So Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6. Here also top number we have joined first, then parallel. Here also top number we will join first with 6, and then from 5 we will draw parallel. How to draw the parallel? From here 1 arc, from 5 1 arc. Now from this to this measure, this to this measure. Just small. It will be parallel. Now from here also 1, from here also 1, from here this much. This is parallel line. With the scale also you can draw the parallel line. So from smaller triangle, enlarged triangle, from 4 to 7 side. Now from 6 to 5 side. So diminish. Follow? Like that. 3 MCQs in one, they have asked from one point on a circle, how many tangent? 1. From outside the circle, one point is there. How many tangent? Maximum 2. If 2 circles are there, not touching, how many common tangents you can draw? You can draw 1 common tangent, you can draw 2 common tangents. If they are touching each other, how many common tangents you can draw? 1, 2 and 3. So first roughly you have to draw and then you have to write the answer. And from numerator and denominator you can come to know that this is 7 ln. So ln is here. So this is bigger. 4 compared to this is smaller triangle. 6 and 7. 6 is for YZ. YZ is here. So this is bigger compared to this is smaller, yq, this is smaller. Like that you can compare two triangle by comparing any two side. Reduced syllabus I have sent 2-3 times in our group, so from that just find out, because my data full on corrupt, I don't have that in my device. So you just find out my message in our group. As per that, reduce, cancel that particular part or the sum. Satyen, close your video. '67 number, Satyen Yadav. More than 70 students are there in the class, and see how many students are joining. Only 33 including me, sir and all. So not 30 students. So here geometry we have finished. Algebra also we have finished. Now in rest of 2 lectures, no, we will do only science, because 2 chapters are there, and that are very interesting, easy, summary based. So do join on science lecture also. And for algebra and geometry, whatever you have doubts, you can ask in the lecture, because after these 2 or 3 lectures of science, next week we will do the revision. Okay, and in science 1, algebra and geometry, any doubts you have, you can ask. Okay.